Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to see what you can do if PrizePicks fail to verify your identity and how you'll be able to fix that issue. When you sign up to PrizePicks in the US, it usually automatically verifies your identification. But if it doesn't verify your identification, they can either send you an email or it'll just show up on your account as an exclamation on the top that your PrizePicks account hasn't been verified. Now, why that happens is mostly because they might require more information from you that will help them in properly processing your data and completely verify your account. So what you can do for that is, first of all, just see what they're specifically asking. So they can ask for the four last digits on your social security number. And if they ask you for your last four digits, you will just press on the notification. It can be in your email as well. And they'll just show you a menu where you can, input that to verify your identification. So it's quite simple. You'll just add those numbers over there. Apart from that, they could also ask you to submit a photo of your identification to properly verify your identity. What they'll do is, if they're asking for that, they'll just show you on your email. You'll get a link on your email where you can redirect yourself, and they'll ask you to submit a photo of your ID. You will do that from your mobile phone, so you'll just take out your identification, and when you are given the prompt, you'll just select their photo option on the PrizePicks website and you'll be able to take a photo and then finalize it and send this over to them. And after that, it takes some time. It can happen instantly as well, but they'll just take some time to review the information that you've submitted. And if the information is on par with what they want, they will verify your identification. Otherwise, they can also place it in review for a while. They can also ask you to resubmit your ID, or they could also deny you. They'll deny you if the identity and the verification isn't on par with what they offer or what they have. If that happens, then the final step is that you can contact their customer support. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.